you're someone who enjoys organization, design, and wants to earn money online, selling Notion templates in 2025 could be a fantastic opportunity for you. Productivity tools continue to be in high demand, and Notion is at the forefront of that trend. Whether it's students, entrepreneurs, or professionals, people from all walks of life are constantly looking for ways to optimize their workflow. Notion, with its highly customizable workspace, has become a go-to tool for many, and this is where you can step in. By creating and selling Notion templates, you can tap into this growing market. The first step in making money with Notion templates is to identify a niche. It's important to find a specific target audience that you can serve with your designs. For example, you could create templates for digital planners, habit trackers, or goal-setting dashboards. Alternatively, you could focus on a particular group of people, such as students who need a study planner, content creators who need a social media planning template, or small business owners who need a project management system. By identifying a niche, you can ensure that your templates meet the specific needs of your audience, making them more likely to purchase. Once you've decided on a niche, the next step is to create high-quality templates. The key to success in selling Notion templates is designing templates that are not only functional but also visually appealing. You want your templates to stand out and provide value to users. A clean, user-friendly design will attract more buyers. This could involve using minimalist layouts, attractive color schemes, and easy-to-navigate sections. Adding icons and other visual elements can make the template feel polished and professional. You should also consider including short video, tutorials, or step-by-step screenshots to help users understand how to get the most out of the template. This extra touch can build trust with potential buyers, showing that you're committed to providing a high-quality product. Once your templates are designed, you need to think about how you'll sell them. There are several platforms where you can sell Notion templates. Popular platforms include Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. Each platform has its own advantages, but all of them allow you to easily set up a storefront where you can showcase your templates and make sales. It's also crucial to market your templates effectively. Social media platforms such as TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram can be invaluable in promoting your templates. You can create short, engaging videos showcasing your templates, walking through their features, and explaining how they can help users be more productive. Consider creating a series of aesthetic tour videos or quick demonstrations of how the templates work in real life. This type of content tends to perform well, especially when combined with well-chosen hashtags and keywords. Building a personal brand is another important aspect of selling Notion templates. While templates themselves are valuable, buyers are also buying into your personal style and expertise. People often want to purchase from creators they trust or those whose work resonates with their aesthetic. So, make sure to infuse your unique style into your templates. Whether it's through color schemes, typography, or the way the templates are structured, your templates should reflect your personal brand. This can help set you apart from other sellers in the market. An excellent strategy for increasing sales is to bundle your templates. Instead of selling individual templates, consider grouping them into themed bundles. For example, you could create a complete productivity pack that includes several different templates for productivity, time management, and